Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again, and today I have to tell you something that's very disturbing. I was the victim of, like, Michigan's courtroom terrorism. They said that I was, like, a threat to somebody else, or, like, I did something wrong, basically. And here, I'll try to make this. They took all my guns from me, basically, because they tried to say I was, like, a threat to somebody, but I'm not a threat to anybody. A lot of people I'm a threat to will be, like, criminals trying to kick in my door and people trying to hurt me, right? You know, just like any other law-abiding citizen that protect themselves, right? But it basically said that they had immediate, like, it said the petitioner requested an ex parte order based on clear and convincing evidence, not convicting. An ex parte order should be entered without notice because an immediate and irreparable injury or loss of damage will result from the delay of request to give notice. Notice itself will precipitate adverse action before an extreme risk protection order can be issued. The factors identified by the court in issuing this order include the following: history of use, attempted use, or threatened use of physical force by the respondent against another individual or against the respondent, regardless of whether the violence or threat of violence involved a firearm, evidence of the respondent having a serious mental illness or a severe emotional disturbance, as defined in MCL 3. But see, the thing is, I didn't really have an emotional disturbance or response, so I don't exactly know what they're talking about, because I never really went to the mental hospital. I don't really got any severe mental illnesses, or any signs I get grumpy, or signs I be like fucking get grouchy if I don't get enough sleep. I don't know what the fuck kind of weird shit this is. And then it says I like threatened to use physical force or something, but I didn't threaten anybody technically, because there was no person that I threatened. I could imagine, like, who did I threaten? And, like, you know what I mean? So it doesn't make any fucking sense at all. Basically said I threatened somebody I didn't even threaten. It's just complete nonsense. Like, because why don't I get charged for threatening somebody? And then it says, like, evidence that I bought a weapon, because I bought a weapon, and then recent abuse of alcohol. But it's like everybody drinks alcohol. The cops drink more beer than I do. Like, if you live in a town like this, the cops drink more alcohol than we do. This doesn't make any sense. Anyways, this is just disrespectful. You know, any people that are members of the NRA, then you kind of already know that this is unconstitutional. This is complete nonsense bullshit. I don't even know what the fuck's going on. And it says Detective Sergeant Mitchell McRae affidavit states that the person, place, or thing to be searched. And so it's just a cop that doesn't even really know who I am. They don't really have an attachment to me or the situation. They don't really know who I am or what's going on. So it's like basically like they just saw like a Facebook post or something on the internet, and then they're just like, oh no, we gotta just take this guy's guns away because, you know, like, we're just gonna be Nazis, we're just gonna be pieces of shits. Anyways, though, that's what happened to me, guys. Like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Okay, so you guys got some paperwork?
Can you just step over here and talk to me?
I'm just gonna sit right here.
Once I got people.
Oh yeah.
How you been?
Pretty good.
Can you step out of your doorway for me?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, don't touch me! Don't touch me!
You're being arrested.
Yeah, I just got like victimized by these fucking terrorists right here. Like, they just like fucking kicked in my door and fucking tried to rob me of all my guns. You know, everybody in the NRA and other Republicans, like, these criminals just like confiscated my guns. You know what I mean? Like, look at these fucking losers. Like, look at this fucking shit. They think they're tough or something. They think they're like good people. Look at these fucking pieces of shit, fucking garbage ass fucking losers. Fuck these people. Anyways, guys, this is on the internet. You guys need to know that I just got like victimized by the government. Like, make sure you guys like watch out for this kind of stuff. I'm taking it to the court system. But look at these pieces of fucking shit. Fuck you! Yeah, you already know what's up.